Good evening, morning, or afternoon. I am the Mainly Digger, and this video is there's a couple things in this video. I do some metal detecting, and then it got frosty and cold, and then snowy, and the ground froze. So I did change up my game. I guess I'll always find something to videotape. I currently I've been busy pretty much between college and life and work, so I haven't really made anything. I've made a couple videos. I've picked up lock picking. Which is awesome, and I've always wanted to do it because it's like a spy. Like I've always loved spy stuff, and it's practical. It's just one of those things that should be known. And I mean, I don't know how many times I've locked myself out of the house or left my keys in my car. I want to take my Part 107 in January, this month, right now, but I'm still studying for it. I'm not getting the grades that I want to. I'm not getting the score that I want to before I actually go in and take the test. And so I'm working on that. But life is good, working hard. I can't say I'm hardly working, but I'm working hard, and life is good, mainly dig out. So I was over there, there's a lot of words. So I was over there last weekend. And that's where that's the tree I took a photo of. And the weird line down over there. And I was over there. There's a lot of pointing in this part. I don't know why I'm doing this. Anyway, so go around. It's a gorgeous spot. You can see the frost on the ground. Today we're going to be in this area, which is where another house site and farm site was, and it's where I found my first sleigh bell, my only sleigh bell. But it was the same day that like as a group we found like 4 bells, so that was an awesome day. And I also found my my dragon over there, my Chinese dragon in Maine. It's a brooch, a scarf brooch. So I don't know, we'll see what today has for us. What I'm having you look at now is that piece of, I don't know what it is. First signal, I'm digging it. It's probably just a pipe, who knows. But a Rogan tool is definitely coming in handy. There's only like a thin layer of frozen ground, and then it's diggable. But it's rough going. It's awesome. Place is gorgeous. Good times. So this hole was just pretty much scrap metal, like not even scrap metals, all rusted out. I don't know what it was. A bunch of pieces in a large area, probably like a sign or whatever. Couldn't make anything out on it, but the area is cool. So I'm gonna guess, because you can kind of see where there's a road, and from the older maps there's a barn and like a house at the end. I know where the house was because there's a whole bunch of melted lead from the roofing, but I'm gonna guess this is where the barn was. And it kind of goes in like an L shape. I don't know if the barn was a part of the house. I'm kind of guessing it was, because that's how main houses were built back in the day. And but I know it was definitely an L shape. Kind of cool. great. This place is great. So it took me a long minute of staring at this to figure out what it is. It's a seat belt, or maybe like a ratchet strap. I don't know. It looks like a seat belt, so I'm gonna call it a seat belt. So that's an interesting find to me. Like, that's something I never thought I'd find. Just makes it a little bit more interesting. Look at that guy. It's a nice little hinge. Big hinge. I don't think it's that old because of the washers and setup that they have here. Yeah, it's cool though. What I was trying to do is, because this area is filled with like melted lead, so I was trying to find melted lead so I can notch it out. My luck, I'm not finding it, which is it is what it is. So in one hole I found first found this, and that gave off like a decent signal. Then I found the nail, the ordinary nail, the newer nail, and then I found a broken off square nail, which is, to me, is probably the best find in that hole. But yeah, good times. Random piece of metal. I don't know what it is. Looks like the corner or something. Just kind of look. I moved around. I moved to a different spot, back to the faculty row. So just because it's a cool spot, it's easy digging. I'm getting old. Anyway, so I don't know why I thought that was a belt buckle, but it's a brush. Like, that's a brush, and that's kind of cool. I was looking at it again. This is the end of my video. It just dropped. Like, it got really cold. It is probably about 1 o'clock, and it's been cold all day, but like the wind just like made it not worth being out here. So pretty much all my finds, except for 2 of the things, which I'm so cold I'm not gonna get them out. I'm just gonna do this real quick and then leave. Yeah, great time. I had an outstanding time just digging, as I always do. Oh, look at all the ants. Anyway, so yeah, great time. It's December and it's cold. I'm out.